welcome back to my channel. I am Richa and I have with me today my sister Riddhi and my niece Ayushi, and we are going to play Who Knows Who Better. Basically the rules of the game is कि हम एक one by one पूछेंगे questions, and if I ask the question and she gets the question like both of them get the answer right, मेरे को एक shot पीना पड़ेगा. This is how the shot looks. और इसमें एप्पल साइडर विनेगर है, ग्रीन टी है और पता नहीं और क्या क्या है. That is how the rules of the game are. Correct? Yeah. Let's get started. RKC से पहले, like before RKC, what was my school's name? Like which school did I study in before RKC? What are your answers? So Aisha's written Pension Bala / Holy Hearts. Riddhi has written Holy Hearts.
एक ही लिख सकते हैं.
Yeah, you can write only one. So I think we'll give
I
a
think
point.
she should not get a point.
Yeah, that is what I have been saying. I think we should give a point to Riddhi. So Riddhi 1, Aishi 0. And the score, should I? Yeah.
Shots.
It's too good. Yeah. Moving on to the second question. So second question, कौन पूछ रहा है? Aishi or Riddhi? Okay, Aishi. Second question.
So what was my first school's name?
Okay, 3,
2, 1.
Mata Sundari.
Baron Bazaar.
That was correct, and you don't get a point.
Yeah. So Riddhi, what's the story?
Shots.
In one go.
1.
2.
Cheers, guys.
Next, your
My question is clear. Sunna. Friends used to call me this in school.
Okay. Very difficult question. Answer, I think it's Ritzy, something like that.
name after a car.
Yeah. That's
Ritz.
Ritz.
So
That
you
is what
are
I
saying-
What
What
did
did
Ritz see? Okay, I'll give you one.
No, you can't.
So Ritz was there. At least you write Juggly.
Juggly.
That's my universal name. That's nothing else.
So, Ritz, it was like I used to call you, not your friend.
Yeah.
You used to call me Ridz, R-I-D-Z, and my friends used to call me Ridz.
Oh God.
Okay, now you
Too many complications.
If you're arguing with me, then you
No,
have to
I'm
drink.
not.
Who are you arguing with?
Okay, fine, I'll drink.
Wait. 1, 2, 3.
To Ritz.
Okay. This one is an approximation question. Okay. The question is, how many posts approximately I have on Instagram? The closest one wins. And if you're like very far away, like if you're like beyond a difference of 10, then I win.
10 is not a
Okay,
beyond
20.
something.
50.
30, yeah. 30.
Just you were saying 15.
Yeah, 50.
30.
Okay, 30. Cool. Write down your answer. Beyond 30, I get a point. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. What are your answers? 238, 568.
In your girl in the tree, right?
Yeah. Riddhi, you are like
Way too.
way too far. Aishi's still closer, but not between not near the.
More than
30.
560?
It's 630 something.
Oh.
It's around 630 something. So, yeah.
कितना बन रहा था?
You should know you want to collaborate for my post. Okay, anyways, I get a point. These two have to drink.
But I was
Yeah, but 30.
sugar in the Italy.
Okay. And we
Okay,
don't
what
know the
what
answers.
was the weirdest incident of my not childhood but
You want me to
Caused
write
by
a paragraph right now?
caused by my parents?
Oh, weirdest, or you should call it embarrassing.
It's kind of weirdest.
Okay. I don't want to write it, like I know it, but okay.
Okay, then we'll say na. First you say, then I'll say.
Yeah,
No,
can.
you will cheat. Because in her childhood, you were not there. So, you just cheat.
Yeah, I was a child in her childhood.
I said not childhood, not childhood. थोड़ा बीच वाला mid age. Any answer? You said that I had lot of weirdest.
So,
things.
yeah, so you might
That was
have-
just for the audience. Like you have a
No.
fancy life.
No, you're not, you have a weird life, you don't have a fancy life, but.
अरे पापा मम्मी ने जलाया था ना पैर
See, I told
with हल्दी का रोटी when I got falas in my leg.
Yeah, she got
Fire.
burnt, yeah.
And in both of the legs I was like
How was that the weirdest?
That-
That was the mistake, right?
that was weird for me because दोनों बहनें पट्टी बांध के स्कूल जाती थी.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I don't know what to
Drink,
say.
drink.
Okay. Cheers तो कर लिया कर यार.
It's not something to do that.
Finally, my bony has done 1 point.
So it's 1-1-2. Okay.
I guess everyone who knows me knows this.
Oh shit.
Day I love the most in the whole year.
I
That is
do
too
it.
obvious.
We just do we even
I
have to
was
write it?
told to do that, huh? To write a easy question. This is the only easy question I
Do
wanted
we even
to
have to
write.
write it?
Yeah, you should write.
Oh.
I've already
You're
written
sure.
it.
Yeah, it's 25th
It's
June.
June.
It's her birthday and she's obsessed by it.
Yeah, because it's next month.
The answer, so you have to drink it now. We get 1 point each. So,
I guess she's very much liking it. That's why she's like, I want to lose.
this was a very silly question, yeah.
I don't expect anything more than this from you guys.
Really?
Now listen to my next 3 questions.
Next question is, and it's a very easy question. You should know the answer to it.
We don't know.
I drink milk every day, and I take a set number of biscuits with it. Like the count of the Parle-Gs that I eat with biscuit. What is that? Like
I've
what is
already
that?
written and she has seen it and she's copying it right now.
No!
Yeah, done.
Yeah. Done. Done.
It's 6. Yeah. Shit.
Pussy.
Which was my favorite dress style in childhood.
What?
Yeah.
Okay, for a heroine,
No. In
For the K3G look?
no.
then
In home also, I was like, I wanna wear this. No, you can't discuss this.
I just
Oh god. I know a lot of people's, but I don't know yours.
Seriously?
Yeah.
I was like wearing that cycling on the society also. I was that
I
much
was not
fan.
in your society.
I was that much fan of the dress style.
She just scribbling. You're not even writing it.
That's my handwriting.
That's scribbling. Okay. Cool. 1,
Yeah,
2,
3.
Okay, I have written any dress with a dupatta.
Yeah, she is close. Salwar suit, but yeah,
Yeah,
dupatta
I have
is
written
dupatta.
salwar suit.
You've written harem pants. Liar. Yeah. So any
She
dress with a
gets
dupatta.
I was writing suit, but then I thought harem pants
No,
maybe.
she was obsessed with.
Though.
Dupatta.
Okay, so it's 3 all. What is happening, guys? Okay, with this question. Why do I think that she'll ask a very difficult question?
Yeah.
So, I wanted to go to this city for my college initially.
Okay, I know this.
Oh my god! Everyone knows me. Lol. I mean, just for
Okay,
my
I can
family.
write two answers.
No.
I've already written.
Oh God!
Okay, my
What
sister
a
doesn't
loser
know.
of a sister I am.
No, me. I
It can also be the present city I'm staying in. Okay, initially as in
Yeah. Okay, fine. Yeah, 1, 2,
I
3.
may be wrong.
1, 2, 3.
Ahmedabad,
Delhi.
Can't show the camera. No.
Bangalore? Oh my god.
Near Bangalore. Near Bangalore.
Oh. I've never heard that from her.
Yeah, I've always heard NID.
Yeah, even I've heard always NID and
And that is in Ahmedabad. I've written wrong, but I thought.
Yeah.
I told not
nobody
the
will allow
college.
Delhi.
No, I didn't talk about the college. I talked about the city. Like I was like
But you are talking about NIFT Bangalore.
Okay,
College.
fine. Let's not quarrel.
Bangalore.
Okay.
Whatever.
So what now? You're enjoying Mumbai or you still want to go back?
I'm in Navi Mumbai.
Once again.
Navi Mumbai.
Once more.
Ghar.
Okay.
It's outskirt of Mumbai.
Cheers to whatever Mumbai she's in. During my MBA, where did I do my internship from? Not the city, the company. If you get like one word also correct, oh, it's good to go. Because I'm sure you'll not be able to know the whole company.
Wait, I've written the short form.
Yeah, that's okay.
I don't know.
That's okay.
You are
my idol.
Okay, she fast.
No, she saw my answer.
Okay, at least your answer is wrong.
TCS.
It was
Easy
Tata
advanced.
Advanced Systems Limited.
Okay, you said one word. T for
No,
Tata.
please. You got the whole company. Either you would written Tata, I would have given you.
You also don't know. How would
Yeah.
I know that?
What did you?
Tata Advanced System Limited. Castle.
Tata S.
Yeah.
4.
Oh, I feel weight loss.
I only weight loss. English. Verra level.
It's a feeling that your weight is losing, but it's it actually does not.
Okay, which was my college trip that had a lot of drama, like involved parents,
Oh god.
family involved family about asking for permission.
Oh my god, what is she asking?
I have no idea what kind of question she's asking. Yeah.
Yeah, because I've always discussed about my every trips.
Have you?
Yes.
Have you?
Yes.
Have
because
you?
With me.
With the element
And I'm a
secret
disappointment right now.
Also. With the element secret also.
Your parents are seeing.
Yeah, some secrets are not to be told.
Your parents are still seeing.
Okay. Okay, are you ready? I think you got it. I don't think I got it. but-
No.
Okay, you have to do a 3 to 1. This one will not show up.
Okay, done.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Rajasthan trip?
I never went to
Okay,
Rajasthan.
sorry.
Pondicherry.
No.
She went to a hill station, right?
No! A friend's marriage to Jabalpur.
Oh, that story!
Oh, I don't remember. Yeah.
So you knew, right?
Yeah, I didn't know the place, but I know the story. So 4 each. None of us are winning this game.
Whom I am jealous of in the whole family with a bit of the story. If you know.
You can be jealous of someone in a family.
Yeah.
I can be jealous of anyone. No, not true that.
Yeah, I've written my answer.
Insecurity and jealousy. No, it comes under. Okay, whatever.
Yeah. Nitinishka?
Like I used to be.
Oh, you still are so jealous.
Yeah.
of
No.
kids. Yeah,
No,
they,
what?
they are.
You can be jealous of anything.
So Nitinishka are 10-year-old nieces, twins, and she's jealous of them because she thinks I love them more. That's the
Yeah,
reality.
that's true.
That-
That's true.
Yeah, because
She
they're
agrees.
kids.
She
Kids,
agrees.
dude.
Even I am a kid.
You're not a kid anymore.
Yeah, because after for you guys,
For you guys, not me. For my soul.
I won't.
Drink.
When I was doing engineering, this was one company which I did not go through, and I was like really shattered, like really shattered.
Yeah, I know that.
And the reason is because this is the only company which comes in my college.
Yeah, I know that. I've written it.
So yeah.
2 letters. Arey, I know the name.
Yeah.
Can I write who is in that company?
Okay, I'll give you again. It's during engineering time, not MBA. She's written the MBA wala story, but
Time was not up.
you are one sheet.
I know, but time was not up.
Drink up.
Time was
One
not up.
Drink cheating,
Time was
you get
not
2
up.
shots in one.
My time was in this one. I can't drink. My stomach is full.
Okay, drink. So it's 5-5-4.
This is my favorite dish that I can prepare with you.
Oh god! Where is she getting all of these questions from?
Okay, so you don't know even this.
I don't know anything.
I know that you can prepare like
Maybe-
pulao very well.
Dessert.
Dessert.
Oh, I know.
I don't know.
I think she's getting.
Okay, fine, time up.
This is a
What is the
patent
answer?
thing that they come to my home and I serve this.
Yeah, right. What? You're not serving us anything anytime. Okay, what's the answer? Pancakes.
No, this is wrong. Pasta.
That's not a dessert.
I said dish.
You said
You said
dessert.
dessert.
I said dish.
You
She
said
said
dessert.
that to us.
This is us. So she goes to 5, I go to 6, and you drink.
No.
And I said dish.
You
Pancakes,
said dessert.
desserts.
No, they are wrong.
It's in the video.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
This is the last question of the video.
So, like we have talked about it somewhere that apart from designing, something like the ultimate thing after retirement or maybe in my career process, I want to do that on the stage. Something. Like something.
That is something that you have to write.
Yeah, like it's also a career option, but yeah, something. I may not be good at it right now. I do in a small scale, but yeah, something.
1, 2, 3. What is it? Photography.
Nah.
I know dance or acting.
Nah. Motivational speaker.
When
Never
have you
seen.
ever
Never
spoken about
heard.
that?
Never heard.
Yeah.
Cheers.
To motivational speaker, I guess so.
I will become one. Okay, next question.
It's done.
Oh, it's done.
I win.
It's a
But-
win-win. It's a win-win. It's a win-win.
Fine.
Win-win.
Okay, fine. So it was a fun video, and
For us at least.
yeah. So if you like what you see, please like, comment, share, subscribe to my
Press the
channel.
bell icon.
Press the bell icon.
Have apple vinegar.
Yeah.
Stay healthy.
Bye.
Bye.